with Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're going to make something that's kind of a standard dish here in PA Dutchland. So like a lot of the local fire companies will do fundraiser breakfasts like once a month on a Sunday usually. And one of my favorite ones was over at Mooresburg here not far from me. And one of the things that they often have on their breakfast brunch was corn casserole, scalloped corn casserole. It's different than the smooth pudding-like baked corn. It's different than the corn pudding that I make that's like my mom's, which is a combination of corn and bread pudding, similar to a filling. It is, it's just really yummy. And I haven't had it, but, because this whole last year all those things have been shut down, and I'm craving it. So scalloped corn casserole is what we're making today. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because, so much of the region is a farming region. We make scalloped everything. Scalloped potatoes, scalloped cabbage, scalloped corn, even scalloped onions. And I'm going to do a scalloped onion casserole here pretty soon. If you liked creamed pearl onions and peas, and you're going to like that as well. But today we're doing scalloped corn. It's simple, it's a great side dish, goes with anything, and we have some ham and sweet potatoes and string beans for supper, and this is going to go along with that. So let's get to it. It's not a complicated dish. You're going to want 2 cans of drained corn. Make sure it's drained. If you're using frozen corn like I am, make sure that it's thawed and drained as well. Milk, melted butter, couple beaten eggs, 3/4 cup of crushed saltine crackers, or you can use Ritz crackers if you want a more buttery casserole, grated onion, minced onion, salt, pepper, and some sugar. Let's get to it and put it all together. Since you know that I'm doing the Pampered Chef thing, I just wanted to point out, when I told you in a previous video that I have most everything Pampered Chef has, I wasn't kidding. From the mixing bowls to the easy read measurers. I love these things. I love these things so much. You see the readings down here? I love these things so much I have 2 sets of them because I use them that much. My milk's in one of those as well. Then the other measuring cups that they have are these, which I really like. So anyhow, let's get to it. We want to mix the eggs with the milk. Give that a good mix. Next I'm going to add the crackers. And the rest of my stuff, that was the sugar, pepper, salt, onion, melted butter, give that a good stir. And then my corn. And it's mixed up and ready to go. Then I'm going to put it in my greased enameled cast iron Pampered Chef casserole dish to bake. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm just going to spray my pan with nonstick cooking spray and add my corn. You can use an 8x8 baker, but I really like this, and it cooks a little bit faster in a more shallow dish. We're going to bake it for 40 minutes at the 350 degrees preheated oven, and it'll puff up a little bit, but it'll set, and that's what you're going to want. So 40 minutes at 350. It's out of the oven. Oh, look at that. And it's done. You can test it. Center is set. Comes out clean. So I'm going to let it cool a little bit. And you know what comes next. So let's scoop it out. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And there it is. Nice and hot. Turn it over so you can see what it looks like. Just what it all looked like, and it's a little hot. So here's our scalloped corn casserole. And you know, you can do this. This is just the regular plain way, which is what I was hungry for. But instead of regular sugar, you can use brown sugar or maple syrup. Instead of, you know, the saltines, you can use like the Ritz crackers, so it's a little bit more buttery. Or you can use like the corn flakes. That gives it some nice crunch and texture. But either way, it's still good. God, I love this stuff. So simple, but so good. Perfect side dish with so many things. So easy. There you go. Like I said, I don't know why here in PA Dutch country, but we scallop everything. So, PA Dutch scallop corn casserole. Give it a shot. It's a great side. And enjoy.